Contact happened on this month calendar Friday, 8 October 2021. Very clear and suspect definitive made statement contact telecommunications supernatural known by public base context say definitive known by public international mystery or non-mystery anymore about suspect activity from country Indonesia government country Indonesia suspect activity him in commanding goes to grave on this meeting or made statement contact supernatural extreme non-live record by telephone or contact video on streaming. Context said this case is already true and not to be discussed anymore. There isn't about the execution momentum about this case. About suspect activity from country Indonesia. Government of country Indonesia already made statement as suspect activity supernatural on this millennium. Dreamer suspect basis resources of supernatural activity human conspirations on this millennium. Terror supernatural on this millennium. Alien family already get contact with United States of America and contact say alien family definitive non-involved for that. For their activity supernatural since 2008 or definitive spare as a group or activity resources. Context say about that. Suspect definitive or recognize and concentrate and agree from country Indonesia actually. Definitive from country Indonesia. Keyafuan and non-execution momentum for that. Definitive confusing context supernatural say about that non-execution momentum about the suspect primer on his blame. Human commanding goes to grave definitive from country Indonesia and still recognized for their pointer orientation and also about money reward or case reward to name one corner. Context say still problem and need for conference by 6661 for the scout framing. Context says since 2008 already agreed supernatural phenomena begin on this millennium and suspect activity definitive from peoples or human resources, ethnic customs, country Indonesia, definitive basis from country Indonesia. Kalbig Ganjang also from town Medan, North Sumatra province, country Indonesia also, domicile address 6661 for the scout family. And name one current definitive status as prima victim or black case by suspects. Local neighborhood peoples, unresponsible peoples, and connection national from country Indonesia also, politic interest and also about a group which others such also entertainment, local, national, country Indonesia, celebrities and also artists there. Context say since 2008 already through until this year 2021 and context say definitive non being responsible by them by their people's local neighborhood. Country Indonesia is leader for suspect activity resources supernatural ethnic Beguenjang or Yafua Kichawi from continent Asia. And by this moment calendar 6661 for discovery very non-comfort about that statement context supernatural. Definitive non-responsible for reward money to name in one corner and still absurd for their last contact supernatural to name in one corner. Their context say they will not going to be responsible for reward money to name in one corner. Even also about project option about that. Context said the definitive want to away from this experience supernatural. Basic about pioneering 6661 discovery since 2008 until this year 2021 and next year also. This contact conference telecommunication made by English speech for comforting the situation conditions for securing this moment telecommunication also because it's really not comfort for naming one corner to speaking Indonesia actually. And context Island found songs they agree for the appointment independence or info also state America. About info number in Kovivo 666, a definitive internationally on this millennium, definitive or recognized and popular by claiming that the ID 666 one was discovered, definitive to 2666 century to century, and still going to be responsible by national UFO X-ray. Alien found residents performed Sky Real Estate National Ethereum Galactica UFO from also United States of America, Sir Alien Tate, and also Sir Alien Emeritus General Planet Geography Mars, Ethereum Planet Mars. Contact say also countries from Planet Earth, Arab and Israel, and also Europe and internationally. Contact say 6661 for discovery still absurd also about the appointment and still about the reward money or the progress situation case until this is 2021 still not going to be responsible and alien farming already contact countries United States of America also about that. Name one colonel already being non-responsible by suspect or country Indonesia about that. Reward money 2022 trillion rupiah, 22 trillion rupiah actually. Again, need to be repeat 22 trillion rupiah for name on colonel. About also the job name on colonel being camouflaged, being conspiracy, being non-responsible by local peoples and government country Indonesia. Local each others since 2008 until this year 2021 about Tambalban very many on local domicile each others on country in visa. 6661 for discovery about also already beauty that already experienced by name one corner also since 2008 until this is 2021 and alien family already contact for that until this moment calendar 8 October 2021. United States of America contact also international connection internet global about internet ID 6661 for discovery. Heroic and pioneer of the networking case proven activity conspiration supernatural claim suspect to human commanding goes to brief or human terror from local countries charters on this millennium. Definitive code to Yahua or I also about Big Benjam, local town Medan, North Sumatra province. And context saying 6661 for discovery meaning still need to make this sweet conference about these non-comfort situations, money for naming one colonel and also about the project. And the agreement or the contact on this moment mean about the title project tabungan BRI 666. Definitive actually title to project tabungan BRI 666. Stockholm is 100% to name one colonel about the profit or money for name one colonel on next future life name one colonel also as meaning to accumulate 22 trillion rupiah just for name one colonel and context definitive single project title tabungan BRI 666 or Again, contact already happened also. This project title Tabungan Beri 1666 actually step or point appointment international about the project Mark of the Beast. Context say is going to be project Mark of the Beast or reform number of people, decoration, proclamation, existence alien farm national money logo 666. Pointing since project title Tabungan Beri also part of deployment international. But money to name one for name, 22 trillion rupiah just for name one for name, accumulate as reward project case for rest future of name one for name. Context alien farm international, so alien state United States of America include for this project. This contact project appointment title Tabungan BRI 1666. About the applications, internet banking also actually, because the project actually primer about applications, performs utility, internet banking title Tabungan BRI 1666. With the segment project also, size also tambal ban bergerak BRI 1666 and also in the home 1666 and about forex BRI 1666 and also about registering company that want to enroll for the application performs internet banking BRI 1666 as before the point of segment project tabungan BRI 1666. Context definitive already being agreed by international Stockholm philanthropies or sponsor connection alien family United States of America and Arab Israel. Context say this Arab Israel actually Arab Islamia. Yeah, then Arabic Islamia Emirat. Yeah, then not going to be exclusive just for one country Islamia or international. Think also about the probability United States of America context similar with that. 6661 got scar framing, got the appointment local from project title Tabungan BRI 1666 for that. And context said this already agree since this moment conference happened on this calendar 8 October 2021 Friday. Context says Stockholm also Bank Rakyat Indonesia BRI and also government of Indonesia as license all about zone territory project on future. Continents Asia also, countries from Asia also as part of the group project realizations or memberships for the project application internet bank tabungan BRI 1666. Such as Singapore also include and Brunei also, Malaysia also and Thailand also, Bangkok and Myanmar context here. Include also about Japan and Korea, Taiwan and United States of America also include for the project zone territory memberships on next. And also Arab Emirat Islam countries on Arab Emirat Israel Islam. Country of Israel include also another countries on continents Israel. Context say reject tabungan BRI 1666 definitively valid by the connection philanthropists into the I-6661 discovery. Alien Family Directions context sponsor appointment refund number of people on this millennium actually. So alien state, not the state of America and also the alien family names on international millennium. So alien general angel from military crown angel military also include on the appointment. Context alien state, not the state of America. Reject reward money or first step to appointment declaration proclamation alien existence set national mine logo 666 on explain title project tabungan BRI 1666. Context say this moment definitive non being responsible from local people's country Indonesia But for the project title Tabungan Beri Nama Sunapurnam can be resolutions for naming one corner by philanthropists or connection directions international for region also to internet ID 666 one discovering on the momentum. And this year 2021 project is appointment about reform number go people internationally millennium the 2666 centuries to century Holy Spirit destiny that already been conformed international by experience improvement telecommunications and contact case networking case international supernatural indication suspect primer human commanding goods to grade or human activity supra on this lane is local countries context international already recognized for that since 2010 2015 until this is 2021 definitive 6661 for discovery on status as hero or pioneer for the situations since 2008. Existence case supernatural suspect activity human or human commanding goods from grave got big ganjang got yapwa or religions conspiration terror on continents Asia or display. 6661 for discovery all brought for the situation activity supernatural suspect from Beguganjang to international on this millennium by connections social media internet about the conference recording about the report ordinary internet live recording voice and also template statement or internet global connections Google and also Facebook and also YouTube and another. Context says 6661 was covering definitely being built by local peoples from country Visa and also about social media named Bigo APK, their membership and also unrecognized peoples there. Context says definitive crazy peoples and our indications one connection each others about this momentum. And context said this also about political local. The country visa need to be reported also on this moment conference calendar. Continents Asia on conspirations international millennium already recognized with their basic resources activities supra code big Gunjang from local Jakarta also code Yapwa on Jawan. Context say supernatural phenomenon on this millennium definitive non-involved alien farming international. Conversations can be continued about appointment alien friendship human authorities supra regions and also about national Ethereum Galactica. Context say still maintains and non-include for the situation suspect activity human orientations. Human commanding goes from grave, called cheetah, called betrayal, called anti-alien or anti-international. Context alien farm international definitive direction for the appointment 6661 for discovery and going to be perfecting internet speech 6661 for discovery. But also appointment decoration proclamations existence alien farming national money logo 666 among human countries or international in chart forex international global context is about reclaim ownership assets alien farming ownership also on this millennium to the future about internet and also another context zone territory for the application project realization going to be nationality internet also digital money or money logo 666 the true 666 international alien farmers ownership or chairman project context alien family going to be conversant about their attribute ownership to their self money logo 666 as chambers of their ownership asset or following about their continue on display among human countries and 6661 for discovery meaning definitive status patent for them The 3666 since century to century, only right, the recent current historical can be continued since this millennium. About Islam, Sharia, International, about also Trinity, Christianity, and also Kingdom in the world, and Imperial Rome's, or Caesar also, and about Holy Spirit to destiny. Alien Farming National Leadership International Universe. Context say Alien Farming going to be lead for human civilization or contact status simulation civilization together, alien friendship human. Since this millennium to future, God National Ethereum Galactica, alien family promote for the status as authority or appointment contact human about the existence multi-living planet on universe, such also planet Mars and Jupiter, Saturn and Neptune also and Pluto and another. Context say since this millennium, contact existence alibi phenomena supernatural, alien family definitive being honored, being agreed, being a tribute for their status as God of Undertaker. Universe developer, multi-planets geographic living planets developer to Alien Farm International. Contact for their status as National Ethereum Galactica, also National UFO. On this moment calendar, 8 October 2021, 6661 for discovering base contact say to make conference again for Sweden. Tribute ownership reward to name in one corner. 22 trillion rupiah definitive need to be maintained for the conference contact by 6661 for the scarf remaining. 6661 for the scarf remaining. Want to say thank you very much for wine on this moment. And people can update for the information and next conference on internet social media connection internet ID 6661 for the scarf remaining friendship international. So also wix.com also there, and also Google for the literature and many photo there people's connection to internet ID 6661 for the scouting on Google, and also blogspot also for the statement or a clue about the next conference or contact project design sketsa concept internet ID 6661 for the scouting appointment international the 2666 century, alien family ownership, continue appointment, self-project on this millennium, mark of the beast, international connection also, RFID or United States of America, so alien state and also so alien military and so alien mortgage agent, and also for the continue appointment meet human with robot centurion, so alien Jesus Isa Al-Masih, so alien Muhammad, so alien Karmat, so alien Buddha, and another alien family names Rome's Caesar Imperium and National Ethereum Galactica. And can be true from YouTube also for the subscribe, still waiting for the commitment and money reward to name in one corner. And also on Facebook also for the page and group also, and can be true on Pinterest also. Similar ID 666 RCDM or another ID there, and also Bigo APK context say there is also on Bigo APK dosen umum no Sumatera Province University or 666 RCDM. I don't know, similar with that context still insists about the recent case to North Sumatra Province University. Domicile address on Taw Medan, Province Sumatera Utara, Country Indonesia. Contact since 2008. Similar contact about that happened on this moment second. And also can be true from another social media on this day. Tumblr and can be uploaded also for the MP3. Thank you very much people, and see you again on my next internet. Declaration Proclamation Existence Alien Farm National Money Logo 666. Definitive about this enter ID 6661 for discovering me. For the next continue moment project or reward to name Irwan Cornell the hero or pioneer of this case existence since 2008 until this year 2021. The six-day God was created human as similar with Trinity of Christianity, Father and Son, and struggle for the existence in case human commanding goes from grave. God Antichristus, God Yahweh, God Millennium, God 666. 6661 God is count family. Thank you very much and see you again on my next internet. And for the last context, say name Irwan Cornell or Internet ID 6661 God is count family. Definitive tribute for status alien reconnaissance human. Alien Irwan Cornell is still human on this moment coalitions international alien family declaration proclamation existence in national money logo 666. But then Centuria by contact name also so alien American General National Ethereum Galactica. It also called angel context say on this last second say alien family from also for this moment progress appointment experience unique international human experience for supra on this plane. Crown angel is also part of alien family from military interplanetary quantum status God or heaven also. It also about inferno or ID also to hell. 6661 for discovering national Ethereum Galactica promoter on this moment pioneering existence in case human commanding goes in grave. Thank you very much and see you again on my next internet. Mark of the Beast International. Base context say already available for the release momentum appointment. Ellen Farm direction official about that.